In this video, I'm going to show you several different ways to share a file that lives within SyncTool. We're going to start assuming that you have SyncTool installed on your computer. So we're going to come down to the bottom here by the arrow, and we're going to click on it. Then we're going to point to the SyncTool icon, right-click, and click on the folder to open up the local files. Then I'm going to locate the file that I want to share. I'm going to right-click on it. I'm going to go down to SyncTool, and I'm going to click on Share. In the new window that appears, it's going to want to create a public share. We don't want to use that. We want to choose Secure Share, and then specifically provide the email addresses of the people or persons that you want to access it. The Share with options is rarely used, so we're just going to skip that, and we're going to go to Share With. I'm going to enter a recipient's name here, and you can enter multiple recipients if you choose to. They will be notified of the shared file, and we recommend that if you are sending this to an internal user, that you also provide them with the path of the file so that they don't have to go searching for it. And I'm going to give the ability to modify the document to this user here, and then I'm going to click on Share. And as you can see up in the top, the share settings have been updated successfully. Now I'm going to show you an alternative method to share a file. You can come down and click on the little arrow, right-click on the SyncTool icon, but this time we're going to choose Open on the Web. Again, you will see that it wants to open to My Files, but the one that I'm going to share is located in Team Shares, so I'm going to just find it. So I'm going to click on Team Shares, Accounting, 2021, and there it is. Again, I'm going to right-click and choose Share. I'm going to select the Secure Share. I'm going to share it with this particular user, and I'm also going to provide them the path to the file to make their life easier in the future. And I'm not going to give them permission to modify it, so they'll just have access to it to review it. And I'm going to click on Share. And again, share settings have been updated successfully. And in the event that you do not have SyncTool installed locally on your computer, you can access it through the web. So we're going to open up a browser window here. I'm going to enter my username, and I'm going to enter my password. Then I'm going to locate the file that I want to share. I'm going to right-click on it. I'm going to choose Share. I am going to choose Secure Share. I'm going to share with this particular user. I'm not going to put any message in here. They know I'm sending this to them. And I'm also going to give them permission. And then I'm going to share it. And there, the share settings have been updated successfully. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you. Bye-bye.